When you have all your pieces sewn in place, now we're going to put the backing on, and you want to lay your backing piece on top of our play mat. So we're doing right sides together. So decide which side you want to use as the outside of the fabric, and that's going to be face to face with your play mat. We're going to pin all the way around, but we need to leave an opening in order to turn the mat right side out in the end. So I'm going to make that opening on the bottom, and I'm going to sew about 5 inches on the bottom section and then leave the center part of that open so that I come around the corner, because the corners are neater when you sew them right sides together, and we'll just leave a section in the middle open. So we'll sew our 2 corners and all the way around and leave this section open.